In this video, we want to find the supremum, infimum, maximum, minimum, interior, and the boundary points for the following sets. The set we have is a closed bounded interval centered at x equals 5 with radius 1/2. And to solve this, we can just think of it as moving 1/2 from x equals 5 from left and right. So if we move 1/2 to the left of 5, we get 9/2. And if we move to the right 1/2, we get 11/2. So this is our interval. And first we want to solve for the supremum, which is our least upper bound. Clearly the largest value in the set is 11/2, and that's just going to be the supremum. The infimum is the greatest lower bound. Here the smallest element in the set is clearly 9/2, so that's going to be our infimum. Now, because the supremum and infimum are in the set, we will say that the maximum and the minimum will have to be the same as the supremum and infimum. So the maximum is 11/2 and the infimum is 9/2. The next question we want to answer is what is the interior point? Well, the interior points are those for which there exists an open neighborhood entirely within the set. So if you take a point in the set, you take a neighborhood in this around that point, you're still going to be in the set. So that's all a fancy way of saying what is everything in the set except the boundary. So if we exclude the boundary, we see that the interior is just 9/2, 11/2. And then finally, the boundary points are those where every neighborhood contains both points in the set and outside the set. For us, that's just a fancy way of saying what are the endpoints. And so the endpoints are 9/2 and 11/2.